Everybody, Brian Hoops here, Midwest Market Solutions. This is our trade update newsletter. It's Monday night, September the 11th. Thanks for joining us here. We've got a chart of the October cattle. It makes a difference what month you sell. When you can't just say, are you bearish, bullish to cattle? It does make a difference. Look at this chart pattern here, how we rallied on Friday but did not take out this high from back in late August. And that, if we did, that would actually turn the trend higher. You go to December, and that was not the case, where we did take out those highs from late August on Friday. We extended those gains today. And if you look at feeder cattle contracts, let's go to a January, you can see we've exceeded those highs, in fact, back to all the way to the highest levels since early August. So kind of an uptrending market here in the feeder cattle, makes it tough to sell into. The most bearish aspect is the live cattle front month, the October here. So what does it tell us when you've got, if you look at the prices here, 107.40 in the October cattle, December cattle, 112.95. That's a, what is that, $5.50 spread. Then you go out to February, you got 116.50, so you're looking at another $3.50. And you go out to April, now you've got 118.27. So if you're a producer, this market is telling you to keep your inventories longer and don't sell them. We've got plenty of supplies coming at this market now. There's an incentive to sell these deferred futures, as they'll give you a better price, as the market is clearly telling us it does not want cattle now here in this October contract because we have too much supply. I think that is going to be negative for this cattle market, so we're going to hold shorts here, and hopefully we can see this market start to break down, but we want to be short in the front month, and if we get a new low close, we're going to move our stops accordingly. Other trades here, with the crop report out in the morning, I don't want to outguess what the government's going to say, so I'll react to it after the report is released. Could miss out on a big move here, but this is a more conservative way to play it. So we're just going to stand aside until we see what the report says in the morning. Spring wheat still in a downtrending market here. I'm hearing yields in Canada better than expected, and that may limit the upside for the spring wheat. We're about a third done up north, but we got to get above this high to change the trend of the market here. And one new trade recommendation, it's in the 10-year notes. We're having, and obviously an uptrending market, we're having a little pullback in here. We're going to look to try and get long in this market and figure this market's going to go back and at least fill this gap area here on the 10-year notes. Fundamentally, we're still supported, as we may get some increase in interest rates, but that doesn't look to be in the September report, so we still look to be somewhat friendly. As far as our system trades go, Inner Circle bonds did go long. The bond system went long 156.29 and is a little bit behind on that as a close here, and S&P system had no trade today after having a couple signals. All right, have a great night. Good luck, good trading. We hope to talk to you soon. Brian Hoops for Midwest Markets.